Story title: The Curious Girl and the Secret Library. Imagine this. A young girl named Ria loved learning new English words, but she often felt confused. One evening, while walking home, she discovered an old wooden door behind the market. On the door, a golden sign read, "The Secret Vocabulary Library." Curious, meaning wanting to know more, she pushed the door gently and stepped inside. The room was silent, except for the soft sound of pages turning. Suddenly, a friendly voice said, "Welcome, Ria. I am Lexi, the guardian of words." The word guardian means a protector or someone who takes care of something important. Lexi was a glowing figure made entirely of letters. Ria was amazed. Amazed means very surprised in a good way. Lexi handed her a floating book titled Words of the Day. The first page showed the word spontaneous, which means doing something suddenly without planning. To explain it, the book magically created a small scene, a boy dancing in the street without music. Ria laughed. She said, "So, spontaneous means doing something freely and without thinking too much." The book nodded. Next, the book flipped to meticulous. A scene showed a girl arranging her books in perfect order. Color-wise, size-wise, everything perfect. Lexi explained, "Meticulous means showing great attention to detail." Ria repeated the words slowly. Meticulous. She smiled because repeating helped her remember. Then came reluctant. It means not wanting to do something. This time the magical scene showed a little boy trying to wake up for school, but refusing to get out of bed. Ria said, "I feel reluctant every Monday morning." As Ria continued exploring, the book showed a new word, optimistic. It means always expecting good things to happen. The scene was of a girl standing in the rain, but smiling because she believed the sun would come out soon. Ria whispered, "I want to be optimistic too." Suddenly, the lights flickered softly, and the final page appeared with the word transform. It means to change something completely. The library then began to glow brightly, and all the vocabulary words floated around Ria like fireflies. Lexi said, "Ria, every new word you learn will transform your mind, your confidence, and your English." Then the floating words gently surrounded her. "Remember," Lexi added, "learning vocabulary is not about memorizing. It's about seeing, hearing, and using the words in real moments." The door opened again, and Ria stepped outside. She realized only 5 minutes had passed, but she felt transformed, wiser, happier, and more confident. As she walked home, she whispered the words again: spontaneous, meticulous, reluctant, optimistic, transform. From that day on, whenever she learned a new word, she created a small story in her mind. And just like the secret library, stories helped every word stay alive forever. Moral: if you want to learn vocabulary fast and remember it, always connect each word with a story, a picture, or a real-life example.